Hello, this is Tim with Truphae, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite hacks for filling a Pilot Vanishing Point. Now, if you hate the Pilot Vanishing Point, then you're dismissed. Have a great day. If, like me, you love writing with the Pilot Vanishing Point, then stay with me for the next few minutes and let me demonstrate for you the only way I've found to get the maximum amount of ink into this little converter. You stayed. Welcome. If, like me, you really enjoy writing with your Pilot Vanishing Point, then you no doubt have experienced more than once the frustration of having the pen run out of ink just a day or two after you filled it, or at least it seems like it. And you also know how frustrating it can be to get enough ink to draw up into that little converter. The most ink I've ever been able to get is about 75% capacity. What to do? Let me show you. I'm embarrassed to admit how long it took me to realize there is a simple and elegant solution to getting the maximum amount of ink into one of these beautiful pens. And here it is. It's called an ink syringe. And it is, as far as I know, the simplest, cleanest way to get the maximum amount of ink into the Pilot Vanishing Point converter. So I want to show you today how to do that. All you need to do is to insert the pipette of this ink syringe into your favorite ink, draw up a little bit. It's a Pilot Vanishing Point, so you don't need much. And then carefully insert the end of the pipette into the converter, gently squeeze the ink, being careful not to overfill it, of course, but fill it as far as it seems reasonable. That's it. It couldn't be easier or simpler, but it took me a long time to realize this was actually a very good and viable option. So was this a new idea for you? Let me know in the comments below. If you've been doing this for years, let me know that too. I hope that for some of you, this was a really, really great solution to a classic Pilot Vanishing Point problem. If so, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, ring the bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos, and as always, happy writing and be ink credible.